So I taught you uh, I said there is liquid pressure is liquid pressure is P is equal to H d G, right? So pressure is directly proportional to height, right? Pressure is directly proportional to density, and pressure is directly proportional to, this is density and this is acceleration due to gravity, due to gravity. हैं? Oh, ठीक है ना. It is your wish, no? So pressure, right? One point I hope I left. If this is a container, right? It is filled with liquid. This is the free surface it is having, right? So this height is h1, pressure is p1, area is a1, and force is f1, and this is point A, and we have another point B where p2, area is a2, force is f2, and height is h2, right?
12.5%.
So
12.5.
ठीक, I do not know. 12%, right? Okay. H2 is greater than H1. Their height means there is depth. Here is pressure is H is depth basically, right? So H2 is greater than H1. So P2 will be greater than P1, right? This is we have. This we studied, right? If we put an object in it, what happens? If you put an object, cube inside this liquid, you want to go,
Yes.
okay, turn off the pages where you done the question, give it to me and go. This is, so its weight is here. Why you take the middle page? Question means wait for 5 minutes. This is, this object is applying weight. Weight on liquid. Weight on liquid. In response of this, liquid applies a weight, liquid applies a force, This is called buoyant force, FB, in upward direction, right? So force 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 applied by liquid in upward direction is equal to is called upthrust or buoyant force. Right, or we call force of buoyancy. ठीक है, मतलब this object is applying force on the weight in downward direction, right? So liquid is applying a force in upward direction, and that force is known as upthrust. So FB is equal to F is equal to MA. So it is D V into G, FDG. F is equal to DVG. So this V is equal to volume of liquid which is equal to volume of object, right? Volume of liquid is equal to volume of object. So this is dense. So this is we have. So here it is density of liquid. This is density of liquid. This is volume of liquid. Volume of liquid is equal to volume of object, and this is acceleration due to gravity, as you know that, right? So this is buoyant force. So buoyant force is equal to FB is equal to D density of liquid into volume of liquid into G, right? This is called buoyant force. One more thing which I left this way, कि on same surface, on same height, should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
On same height, every point experience same pressure, right? Suppose if you go through with this surface, so all the points on this surface will have same pressure, right? But So on same height, every point on same height at every point sorry at same height every point experience same pressure, right? But at different height pressure is different, right? So at different height pressure is different. Pressure is different. This is buoyant force, this is pressure, liquid pressure, right? We are talking about here liquid pressure, so here always is pressure, liquid pressure, and height is depth. Height is considered as depth, and pressure means liquid pressure. And buoyant force is force applied by the liquid on the object, because when you are putting an object in a liquid, it applies a force of weight on the liquid. In response of that, liquid also applies a force on the object, right? So that is buoyant force. It is always a force of object is always in downward direction, and force of liquid is in upward direction. So buoyant force is always in upward direction, and that is equal to buoyant force is equal to density of liquid into volume of liquid into acceleration due to gravity, right? This is we are all about buoyant force. ठीक है?